Hey guys, what's up? So we're going to be doing HTML today. Firstly, in the last video, I spoke about you installing an IDE, which is a code editor. I specifically mentioned VS Code. So if you have VS Code installed on your system, it should be on your desktop. Check on your desktop, it should be there. Or you can as well just search for VS Code. Yeah, so if you have VS Code installed, you should see it here. So just open VS Code. Yeah, open VS Code. Um, let me wait for it to load. Yeah. So when you open VS Code, just go to your desktop, create a new folder on your desktop. Call it HTML for beginners. Say data science. Save that. And you save that, come to your VS Code, click on open folder. Yeah, click on open folder on your desktop, which is the directory where we created our file. Then search for HTML for beginners. Click on it, then select folder. Yeah, select folder. When you after selecting folder, you should have something like this here. Yeah, you can see it here, HTML for beginners, DS. So come here on the sidebar here. If your sidebar is not displaying, you can just come click on display. It's going to be displaying. So right click on this here and new file. Let's call it index.html. Yeah, just save that. So the first thing I'll be talking about is tags, the H tags. So mainly the H tags are always used for creating headers. Yeah, creating headers literally. So just say open something like this H1, then close that tag. Let's say let's just say HTML for beginners. So automatically, whenever you open a tag, you should close it. Like for example, you open an H1 tag like this, H1, you close it. You can see this stuff is closing it automatically. In case yours is not doing that way, you can just do this, the less than sign, do a forward slash, then H1, then close the tag yourself. Simple as that. Then put whatever information you want to put in the middle here. So that's what H1 tags is majorly for headers. The H tags are majorly for headers and yeah, mostly. So what you want to do is you can minimize this. Go to the file you open, double click on this, open it. You can see you have the index file here. Open this. You can see we have HTML for beginners, and that's that. Simple as that. So what you want to do, if you have to split your screen. So whatever we are doing on the page, you can also see on you can see immediately on your screen. So if you want to do that, drag this and drop it to the far right of your screen or far left, whichever you are comfortable with. To the far left of your screen, you can see where I'm dragging it to. Then drop it there and select the VS Code. Yeah, so that's that for H1 tag. Let's do an H2 tag. So H2 tag is more or less a smaller version of the H1 tag. So let's say, welcome to the tutorial. Yeah, save this. Come here, refresh this page. You see, welcome to the tutorial. So we also have the H3 tag. H3 tag is also a smaller version of H2. Let's say it's a privilege to have you, whatever your name is, let's say user. Save that. Come here, refresh the page. Privilege to have you, user. Now, you can also use an H4 tag. You already know by now how the H4 tag will look like. So let's say, what can I say? Make sure that you are coding along with me. It's the best way. Then save it, come here, refresh. You can say, make sure you're coding along with me. It's the best way to learn. So that's that for H4. So, and the last one, the H5 tag, which is smaller. Yeah, we can just say who, let's go. Yeah, so save that, come to this page, refresh it. Yeah, refresh it. Yeah, who, let's go. You can see how small it is. So this is H5, this H1, this H5, this H4, this H3, this, what am I saying? This H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5. And that's where it ends. If you're using H6, it's just going to take the same font size as the H5 tag. So that's that for the H tags, majorly for headings and subheading. We have the paragraph tag also, which is P. Yeah, whenever you want to write a long text, it's always advisable that you use the P tag. So we say, let's just say let's just say this shows that you know how the P tags work. Congrats. And this double colon, you can just save this. I'm gonna save this, refresh this. Yeah, and that's it. That's it, as simple as that. If you want to write another thing, another paragraph, you can say, let's learn something new. So save that, you refresh this page, and that's that. So we also have the small tag, small. When you want to write something small, you use a small tag, SMAL, and close the tag also. You can just say posted 1 minute ago. Yeah, save that. Come here, refresh this. You can see small, posted 1 minute ago. Yeah, so that is that, regards that. So also we can also have lists of stuff. Yeah. So when you want to have a list, you say UL like this, close it, do like this, LI. Yeah. So you can do this. Say you want to have the list of, let's name this list. Let's just give it an header of 4. Say list of skills I need. Yeah, save that. Come here under the LI, then just say HTML. Yeah. The next line also LI. Say maybe CSS. Don't let me CSS. Let's say Flask. Yeah. You can put another one. Say LI Python. Then save that. When you save that, come here, refresh this page. You can see that we have the list. You can see it is listed HTML Flask Python, and this is the header right there. Yeah, right there. So yeah, that's that for list. So we also have links. Links. Yeah. You want to create a link, it's as simple as saying just open this like this, but you put it here, say link in my bio. So come inside here, see where I am, then just say href. This href represents the location, the link where you want the link to go when someone clicks it. So maybe I want, when anybody clicks this link, you should take the person to facebook.com. Save it, come here, refresh the page. You can see. For now, if you click on this, it's not going to take the person to facebook.com because we are not running this on the server. It's
So
just
now,
hosted
when
by
you click
the
this,
machine. So
after
it's not
making
even
the
running on the server at
correction,
all. So it's not even
then
possible.
the
Don't worry.
link
As
should
once we
work.
start working with servers, you're going to see how it works. So that's that for links. We also have another thing, wrappers. Wrappers. So wrappers are majorly used for storing, for wrapping similar informations together. Mostly we use it when we want to style some information, like when we want to style information, you want to style something. Divs are obviously very good to use. So just let me go straight to business. So div. Now, let's say we are trying to create, we are trying to emulate the Instagram user profile. Yeah, what you want to do, definitely one wrapper should contain the username, the user picture, the followers, the following, and the rest. So let's just say, okay, this div should be the user info. So inside this div, come here and just say class. Give me class. Say user info. I believe you're coding along with me. Please do code along with me. So class user info. So we can have, let's just put the username on a bold. Now B is for bold. Whenever you want to write something and you want to make it bold, B tag is what you use. So say B, then just say username. Let's say user name. Put whatever it is you love there, as long as you're okay with it. Let's put email. Let's just put the email in the paragraph. Let's say email. Let's just say user at email.com. Yeah, so that's that. That's that. So now when it comes to image, now how do we put the image? So when you want to create an image tag, you just say open like this, img, then you close with a backward slash, then close with this greater than sign. Yeah, so when you want to put the image source here, the image source, src, src, this way. So if you are taking the image from an online source, just search for, just for example, now I've searched for man. Just let me just search for this from scratch. Just search for any image of a person, click any image you like, click on it, then copy the image link, come here, then paste it inside this double colon, save it. Yeah, and that's all. And that's all. So this will be the user info. Now the next wrapper that should be in the profile, in a user profile in Instagram, is always the user's actions. Yeah, if you post everything. So what you want to do is create a div, a wrapper for that. Now come inside here, create another class. Let's call it user activity. So save it. When you save it, you come inside the wrapper. I think it should have image or something. Let's just say an image. You should have an image backslash slash greater than sign. Give it the source of you can also come online, yeah. Or what if I just want to use an image on my laptop, on my system? Okay, very simple. What I do is just go, I should have quite a few images on my laptop. So let's just go to pictures. Yeah, we have quite a few images. So let's just copy this waterfall image. You can copy it, then go to the directory where you saved your file. Yeah, I think it's HTML for this is, I went to my desktop, you can see here, HTML for beginners, then just paste it here, paste it there. Yeah, and I think that's all. Just minimize that. Come here, you can let's just rename it. I don't like the name. Let's name it. Let's just say name it photo. Photo. Yeah. Click on that. You can pick any image on your laptop and just copy and paste it here, rename it photo. So come to the source and just say photo.jpg, because that's the name of the image. Save it. Yeah. So we have the posted, what the user posted. Then you can also come down and just say, okay, let's add a small. You definitely should have a caption. So let's just put the caption in the paragraph. Let's say, wow, I enjoyed my visit to this waterfall. Another thing you can do with the bold is, for example, if I want to highlight this, I want to make this enjoyed bold, I can just come inside there and just create a B tag like this. Then bring this, instead of just dropping it there, just bring this, then put it inside the B tag, then save it. Simple as that. So I think we should also put the time frame, the time when this picture was posted. So let's just say we put it in a small tag. It's reasonable to do it that way. So we can say posted two days ago. Save this. I hope you're coding along with me. So when you save this, you want to come here, refresh the page and see the magic that has happened. So you can see this is the wrapper. This is a first wrapper. Yeah, it takes the username, the user email, then the user profile picture. Yeah, then the next wrapper takes the image. Yeah, the image is posting, which is this, and the caption, wow, I enjoyed my visit to the waterfall. You can see that enjoyed is highlighted, it's bold. Yeah, wow, I enjoyed my visit to the waterfall. So you can see the day he posted also. He posted on posted 2 days ago. Let me just enlarge this screen so you can see it more better. So you can see what we just did. So trust me, you're learning stuff. And as we go on, I know you don't like the way it is formatted, but when we start styling and the rest, teach you a little bit of styling, then you're gonna understand. You're going to see the power of styling. You see, it's gonna look better and far better. So that's that for rappers. Yeah, I want you to understand the concept of rappers. So you can see that I can close and open it because as a rapper, I can also close this from. Yes, that is that. Regards that. So very important thing you should also know about is forms. How to create forms. Very important, especially when you're doing data science and when you are taking information from the user from the client side to the server side. You need to know how to create a form. The form is one of the best ways in which you get information from the user. So how do we create a form? Very simple. Open a form tag, form like this, close it. Sorry, and close it. So now you can now start. Say label. Let's say the name. Let's say this form must take the information of the person. Yeah. First and foremost, let's take this out. Let's take this out. Um, let me just comment it out. So now commenting, I mentioned something now. So commenting is something we do to make sure that a certain line of code does not run. So if I comment this out now, how do you do that? Let me just show you. You can just come here, do this, or let me teach you the shortcut. Just highlight all of this. Then on your keyboard, press Control /. Yeah, and it's going to comment everything you highlighted. So that's that. So this will not be running whenever we want to. If I reload this now, you can see that that is no more running. So we have label name. So we can put input /, close it. That's how to create an input. So you save this. We also want to take the user's age, let's say age. Yeah, so we also have an input / this. Sorry, input. Save this. If we come here, we refresh this page, you can see that we have the name and the age. Yeah, definitely the age should be number. So for us to do that, come to the input, just a type is equals to number. Yeah, make sure that the double column is there. So save it, come here, refresh the page. So whatever we put here is just numbers. We can't put letters there. Yeah, very important for you to note that. You can only put numbers in that place. If you don't put this here, then you can put letters here. Yeah. So for the name also, okay, for the name, we can as well just say we want to put more something like a placeholder, something that like an example for the user to see. Yeah, so we come here, come to the input here, say placeholder like that. So let's just say example Wale. Save that. Come here, refresh the page. You can see EG Wale. Yeah, so that's that. So another thing is the sex, yeah. So this will be different. The label, let's call it sex. So for us to do for sex, we just want the sex to be male, female. So someone don't go there and just write goat or sheep or something. So how we do that is we select, create a select tag. Only like this. Inside the select tag, then we create an option tag. Close that. Then inside the option tag, we can now put whatever option that we want. For example, we want male. Yeah, and the next option should be option female. Yeah, so save this. And you save this, come to this place, refresh the page. You can see that we have sex as an option of male and female. You can't just fix anything that you want there. Yeah, so definitely a form has to have a submit button. So once you click button, just open a button tag, button. Simple as that, and just say submit. Save it. That's all. Come here, refresh the page. You can see we have submit. So after the person fills this form, you can then submit the form. Yeah, so that's that for forms. Another very important thing you need to know is whenever you are taking an information from the user side, you need to give the input tags a unique identifier, because that is one of the ways that we can use that information that the user is passing at the back when we are creating servers. I might not display that right now, but I just want you to know that it's good practice. So come here, input, just put ID equals this. So let's give this an unique identifier of name. Let's give this input also a unique identifier of age, and come here also unique identifier of say sex. Yeah, sex. So save it. Now that's all. That's all. So we're going to be needing these unique identifiers in the future purposes. Yeah, so that's that, and that's all regards to today's tutorial. I believe you've learned one or two few things. Trust me, these are one of the basic things that you need to know when you want to do HTML, especially if you're a data scientist and you don't want to go fully into the design and every other stuff. These are the basic things you need to know. If you know these stuffs, then you can only just build around this. As the more you work on projects, the more you build around the two informations that you've gathered. So do enjoy yourself. Try to like and subscribe the video, subscribe to my channel. On your notification to see more of whenever I post new content. So do enjoy yourself and have a nice day. It's been a very nice and awesome moment with you guys. Yeah, ciao.